Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the iTel Storm Plus smartwatch or the iTel O15 smartwatch, and we are going to compare it with another sporty smartwatch, the AOLON Watch Curve. On this video, we are going to compare the design, the specs, as well as the features. So if you want to know more about these wearables, watch this video so you can decide whether the iTel O15 smartwatch is for you, or maybe you will like the features of the AOLON Watch Curve. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin and compare these two smartwatches. So we have here the iTel Storm Plus, also known as the O15 Smartwatch. So we do have here some basic specs: 2.01 inch IPS LCD, 240 by 296 pixel resolution. And the other one, we do have the watch curve. So we have some details on the specifications also. 2.01 inch, how about this one? 2.01 inch also. IPS TFT 240 by 296 pixel resolution. So they have the same size of screen display as well as the pixel resolution. IP68 waterproof with 100 plus sports mode. IP68 also waterproof. We don't have the battery details here, but if I'm not mistaken, it is also Bluetooth 5.3. So this smartwatch here, it has 7 days of battery life, and as you can see here, we do have a support for Bluetooth calling. Do we have any details here? So it is using a different application here, FitCloud Pro if I'm not mistaken, while the other one, the Watch Curve, it is using the Fit app. Okay, so let's check on the design of both smartwatches. As you can see here, this is our iTel O15 smartwatch, this one, and the other one is the AOLON Watch Curve. So curve body frame, as you can see here, while the O15 do have a sporty minimalist look. We do have a crown button. Let's see this one, we can change the watch face. Yes, the same. At the back, both do have a pogo pin. We do have here the sensor for the heart rate as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so it is much thicker, I think, for our AOLON Watch Curve. To verify that, we have here our measuring tool. 00, let's see. Without the sensor for the heart rate, the cover for the sensor, the AOLON Watch Curve do have a 11.8. Again, 11.8. While for our iTel O15, we have, yes, 10.8. So 1 millimeter. So when it comes to size, obviously the AOLON Watch Curve do have a much bigger body frame, but they have the same size for the screen display as well as the pixel resolution. Okay, let's change this. They almost have the same black border here when it comes to the size of black border. So which do you think is better when it comes to size? For the weight, let's check, including the strap. 00. The curve do have 44.28. The O15, we have 43.20. Just 1 gram, I think. Yes, just 1 gram when it comes to weight difference. Okay, they almost have the same. In short, they almost have the same weight. Okay, so again, let's have a closer look at the design. So which do you prefer? A curved style or a sporty minimalist look of the iTel O15? Okay. So next, let's check out the offered features. When it comes to features or menus offered, let's check on the UI first. So we have the settings here. Okay. So I prefer this layout for our iTel. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. Split screen. Yes, the same. And we have the cards here. Or the widgets. You can add your own here on our AOLON Watch Curve. The same with our iTel. Okay, so which is better in terms of the UI layout? Okay, drop a comment below. For the menus, let's check. So we have to swipe and check out the menus. Tap on the menus. So we have the Bluetooth call here, sleep monitoring. We also have a heart rate, phone, workout, that is exercise here. The AOLON Watch Curve has at least 100 plus sports functions. So limited sports functions for our iTel. So when it comes to sports, go for the Watch Curve. Okay. You have the heart rate. Let's check out the heart rate here. Okay, so different style. Exercise records. Blood oxygen. Music control. We also have it here. Shutter. Player. We have the player here, as you can see. Okay. Breath training, relaxation, AI voice, stopwatch, timer, and alarm. We also have here the calendar, cycle tracking, world clock, calculator, find phone, camera. Yes, we also have here the camera control, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, we have here the shutter. Okay. For the settings, okay, I like the setup here of our iTel O15 compared to the Watch Curve. Language support. Do we have a language support here? The not disturb mode, we don't have it here, I think. Password, we have a password here. No, we don't have a password. We don't have a language settings for the curve here and a password. Well, we have it here on our iTel. Phone, QR code, do not disturb mode, battery. So seems like there are more features available here in our iTel Watch or iTel O15, except that it has only limited sports function. Unlike the AOLON Watch Curve, as you can see here, it has 100 plus sports functions. Okay, again, here are the menus and features. So which do you think is better? Has a much better features. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the design, the menus and features, as well as the specs of the iTel Storm Plus or the iTel O15 Smartwatch compared with our AOLON Watch Curve. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.